Hey guys, hey, it's Terry Bontemps. Oh, look at it, look at it. Yes, yes, yes. Day number 28. We had rain delays, we had housing delays, tenant protection program delays, and boom, there we go. Take a look. We got the roof on, okay? We got the grass and we got concrete poured. Hey, we got a new screen door. I got a privacy wall that I took down just because I had the concrete poured. I want to show you guys that on the next video. And also, if you take a look again, that fencing there is to keep the dogs out. Both houses have dogs. And I'm going to scan in there, and if you can see, there's a new driveway that we poured for that back house. So again, look at that, day 28. Is it coming together? Hopefully it's looking really nice. That's it. And we got a little bit more to do and still trying to get the tenants out. And once we get them out, then I can go in and do the inside, but I'm totally happy with the look of the property. All right, you guys, take care. See ya. Bye.